you take over the rest of this, please? There you go. What's with the dumb little hat?
Well, it's my birthday, and you said last year that my gift was in the mail, so now I'm just, curious if it's around,
It is. It got here. It did. I got you this half case of Silly Putty. And hold on. That's not all. Look at these sunglasses. I got you these sunglasses. But I know, I also got your favorite, chili packets. Worth the wait, am I right?
It's great, but don't you have anything cooler? It's my birthday.
Oh, yeah, actually, I have the ASUS TUF Gaming 4070 GPU.
Tori, you shouldn't have. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting all year for this. Thank you.
I didn't. You asked me if I had anything cooler, not cooler for you. God, so ungrateful.
Fine, I'll just eat these chili packets then. Ah! It's wasabi!
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. If you're planning on playing all the latest games, you're gonna need tough components to help you reach top levels of power and quality. We have the strongest of them all, the ASUS TUF Gaming 4070 graphics card. We're in a 40 series world. Luckily, if you want to join the club, it won't break the bank. You're getting military-grade durability, full ray tracing, customizable software, and so much more at an incredible price. So let's get tough and unbox this. I'm gonna do it here. God, anytime I get to open up a 40 series card, it's just such a pleasure. Tough gaming. Sweet! Oh my God. I think I've always really liked the design of these GPUs too. They have like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like an armor vibe. Yes! Oh my God, sweet! Just opening a fresh component, especially because you get to do all these little parts. Oh yeah, this is nice. There's a little card in here. This packaging is beautiful. What the heck? They actually give you a trading card. That's so cool. It's reflective. It's shiny. And then you have your warranty card inside of here. How to install the graphics card holder. Certificate of reliability for extra assurance. Your quick start guide. And then it's a thank you for purchasing. I love when they give you just like an extra little gift with your gift. This is so cool. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna look this up real quick because it says to use the QR code. It's a thank you card phone holder. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna assemble this real quick. I know this is about the GPU, but once you have that assembled, you get to put your little phone there. All right, that's it. Oh yeah, never mind. You also get your GPU in here. Let's take off all the peelies. This does feel like luxury though. I think if you're able to, everyone should be treating themselves to a 40 series card. It's just something that your PC deserves, and it's just gonna take you to the next level, and they're so pretty. I even like, especially on the TUF Gaming on here, all the little decals on the fan. Having all the details nailed here is really what sets ASUS apart. So there it is, your GPU that came straight in here. I love everything about this. We gotta talk more about this, so let's freaking get into it. The Hercules of GPUs, a truly tough component, the ASUS TUF Gaming 4070 graphics card. The quality and durability makes this feel like luxury. This truly should be the GPU you treat yourself with or gift it to someone you love and adore. 2580 megahertz on the boost clock, and this baby achieves 5,888 CUDA cores. Finally, the speed of power you've been waiting for. Speaking of power, the ASUS TUF Gaming 4070 GPU features NVIDIA DLSS 3 to give you AI accelerated performance. This will allow you to achieve 2 times the performance and power efficiency, 2 times ray tracing performance, and 4 times rendering performance. There's no way all these perks can be done in this GPU, yet it has been accomplished. Just know that this GPU takes the tough in its name very seriously. GPUs can be an investment, so it's important that they stand the test of time. The ASUS TUF Gaming 4070 graphics card has military-grade capacitors to make the GPU power rail much more durable. Plus, even with the insane speeds this GPU is hitting, you can ensure that it'll stay nice and cool even during a long session. 21% more airflow thanks to the scaled-up axial tech bands and a vented exoskeleton that adds both structural rigidity and increases heat reliability. I love personalization, and there are a ton of ways you can customize your brand new GPU. This GPU has 10 different ARGB effects thanks to Aura Sync. You'll also have access to ASUS GPU Tweak 3, which will make overclocking easier, 0 decibel fan technology for silence, automatic profile swapping, and more. It's ready to take your PC to a whole new world. It's time to jump onto the 40 series, and the ASUS TUF Gaming 4070 GPU is ready to be chosen by you. This GPU has it all with power, speed, durability, and customization, so stop waiting and upgrade today. Check out the links in the description below to get your hands on the 4070, and while you're there, please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another episode. Thank you so much for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye! Nico, wait. I'm sorry. Happy birthday, Nico.
Thanks, Tori. I'm glad you actually gave me something.
But you gotta split it with the rest of us.
Whoa, okay. Whoa, everyone chill out. There's only one cupcake! Oh my god! Ah!